In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw an application from Indeed in a clear, simple way. Maybe you applied for a job by mistake, your plans have changed, or you've already accepted another offer. Whatever the reason, it's a good idea to clean up your application so employers have the most accurate picture of your availability and interest. I'll walk you through the process step by step and explain what to expect along the way. First, start on your Indeed home dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in, then you'll be taken to your personalized dashboard. This page usually shows recent job recommendations, your resume, and a summary of your activity. But what we're interested in is the section that keeps track of your job applications. From your home dashboard, look for the option labeled My Jobs. This is where Indeed groups together the jobs you've saved and the ones you've actually applied to. Click on My Jobs to open that page. If you use Indeed often, this is a helpful area to revisit from time to time to stay organized and keep track of what you've done. Once you're on the My Jobs page, you'll see different tabs or sections. Today, I'll show you how to find the applications you've already submitted. To do that, go to the section called Applied. This section contains all the jobs you've applied to using your Indeed account. Click on the Applied tab, and you should see a list of your recent applications, including job titles, company names, and the dates you applied. Now find the specific job application you want to withdraw. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one by checking the job title and employer. This is important because once you withdraw, you're essentially telling that employer you're no longer interested in being considered for that role. When you're sure you've chosen the correct job, click to open that job application from your applied list. With the job application open, look for an option that says Withdraw Application. This is usually displayed as a button or link on the application page. Click Withdraw Application to start the process. Depending on how the employer set up their application on Indeed, you may see a confirmation prompt asking you to verify that you really want to withdraw. Read any message that appears, then confirm your choice. It's important to know that withdrawing isn't always available for every job. Indeed only shows the Withdraw Application option if the employer allows it. So if you don't see that button, it likely means the employer has disabled withdrawals through Indeed, or the status of your application has already moved beyond the point where you can withdraw yourself. In that case, your only option may be to ignore it, or, if appropriate, contact the employer directly using their preferred contact method outside of Indeed. Once you've successfully withdrawn, the application will usually update its status in your applied section, indicating that you're no longer being considered. This keeps your job search organized and signals to that employer that they shouldn't expect to move forward with you for that particular role. And that's all there is to it. Open My Jobs from your home dashboard, go to the applied section, select the job application you want to remove, and click Withdraw Application if the employer allows it.